How to fix download issues with Google Chrome on Windows. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on the search bar at the bottom and go ahead and type registry editor. So go to that. So go ahead and click on yes. So what you want to do is go ahead and click on this H key local machine and click on the arrow next to it. So once you do that, you'll want to go to software. So also press this arrow key next to software. And once you press this arrow key, go ahead to Microsoft and press this down arrow key right here. So scroll down. Scroll all the way down to W because this is alphabetical, and you'll see Windows right here. So go ahead and click this arrow icon next to Windows. So once you do that, you'll see it says current version. So click on this current version, this arrow button right here, and you'll see different options. So go all the way down to P and click on policies. So you'll see here, go ahead and click this arrow button and policies, and you'll see all these. So the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on attachments, and this will pop up right here. So go ahead and click on scan with antivirus right here. So when you click that, you'll see at the value data it's 3. So delete this and press 1 and then click OK. So once you do this, you'll be able to solve the download issues with Google Chrome on Windows.